5 minus 1 equals 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have a couple of subtraction operators present here. We do have a multiplication operator present too, but more importantly we have parentheses present, and according to the rules, parentheses have highest priority over anything else. So let's solve what we have inside parentheses. We have 4 minus 1, that gives us 3. Our expression becomes 5 minus 1 times 3. Now we have two operators present here, subtraction and multiplication. According to the rules, multiplication has higher priority over subtraction. So we need to solve this multiplication first. 1 times 3, that gives us 3. Our expression becomes 5 minus 3, and that gives us 2, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.